Hi guys, hello everybody. Can you guys see this? Doesn't she look cute? Anyway, guys, I needed to show you guys. Yeah, we are slaying. We are slaying. Can you see us? Can you see us? Take the head. Huh? Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So just right now I'm from filming a hair video about hair growth. So yeah, that is why I'm looking like this. So I wanted to this is the next day, yes. So today I have someone who is also a subscriber. I put up an offer on one of my social media platforms, and I asked guys, first hold on, my camera don't fall. Okay, so I already told you guys I have issues with my tripod, and yeah, but anyway, I'm going to right now I'm going out. I'm going to go and plate that person that took up the offer, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys the results. So I'll take you along. I don't think I'm going to be taking you along because the weather doesn't look good, but yes, I'm going to go. I'll show you how the results come out. Okay. So guys, just right now the person who I'm supposed to go do the hair for has been called by the mom who wants her to help, something like that. So I am not going to be able to go there. So that's changed plans. So I'm just going to now sit and edit my vlog for tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll be taking along with what I'll be carrying on with if there's any serious thing. But see you. So guys, I am so damn excited, guys. Received this new Dell Latitude laptop 5410, and I'm so damn excited. So I decided to unbox it off camera so that you guys can see what to expect and also think about maybe getting it. Yeah, so this Dell comes very well packaged. You can see those sponge like things, should I say, are meant to secure it, and the box is sectioned securely so that these secure sponges, should I say, they're not really that soft sponge but that hard sponge, okay, yeah, so that it can secure. Then it comes in this bag. I'm really impressed so far, the fact that it comes secured and the fact that it comes in its own bag. So yeah guys, this is how it looks like. I don't know which generation this is, but this is a Dell Latitude 5410 Core 5. Yeah, so guys, that is how it looks like. I'm so damn impressed that it even lights on the button, so that means you can use it in the night without any lights on, so there is no need for it to actually put on the light in your room or wherever you're using the laptop from. So guys, I just like this. I just like it. Guys, I'm sorry, I have some cough developing. So I noticed that, like I already said, the box is well sectioned, so there's a section for its charging equipment and all that kind of stuff. So that's how it looks like. And yeah guys, I'm so damn excited about this. Yeah, so anyway, I'm even impressed on how it's packaged, and then these other guides on how to use it, so probably I'll keep them for future use. Yeah, so but you need to read them to know what is in your laptop, how it is made, how it functions, its features, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, forgive me guys, I'm not an IT person, but at least I know the kind of side that I don't like. So I like the way this whole charger is packaged. So the battery part of it is packaged separately, well carved, secure, and all that kind of stuff. I must mention, I don't think I'm going to remove that polythene on the battery. Yeah, guys, you can see its charger pin is like that of a MacBook. Isn't that impressive, guys? Isn't that impressive? So yeah, I actually like the way it is packaged. So there is also the section for plugging into the power port, and it's also packaged separately in its own bag. And yeah, so I'm now going to and unwrap this whole charger, and then I'm going to connect it to itself. But guys, I mean to it, like connect it. Guys, I'm so impressed about this whole thing. Like I am so impressed and I'm super excited. because firstly is that the way it's packaged and the fact that it is new, it just gives me that whole good vibe. And yeah, so I'm going to connect these, and you guys can see that these things are packed separately. I don't know the logic behind that, but I just like the way they've packaged this whole thing. It's a nice thing. So at first I thought that these things are like HP, because HP laptops, the charger is a whole set. You don't have to connect and plug. It's a whole set, so there is nothing like connecting the battery and all that kind of stuff. But guys, I'm so excited about this thing. Guys, I'm so damn excited. You can see I didn't even have to change my clothes. I did this in my pajamas, so I'll read those later. So now I'm going to power on the laptop to charge, because I need to charge it before I use it. But guys, tell me what you think about this whole laptop, the way it's packaged, the way it looks like. Yeah, I must say that I was so happy about it. Tell me what you think. I think this is the must go-to laptop for anyone who wants to do any work, any kind of work. Yeah, from my own simple opinion, I'm not a laptop or computer expert, but this is really nice. Yeah, so guys, I finally found the port for charging, so I'm going to put it to charge, and then yeah, and I'll just go do my other stuff while I let it to charge. And it charges about within at most 2 hours if you're using it. So yeah guys, you can see it is lighting. You can use it even in the night. It has that tiny thing to use when your cursor doesn't work. So guys, I just like this. Tell me what you think, and yeah, see you guys.
6.5 hours later. Eternity later.
So pick a song from your nose.
From
The nose.
nose, eh? Okay.
So I'm going to be gentle. Just don't make sudden movements, okay?
Okay.
Just look this way. Just don't shake and
Hold on. Okay, please. Okay.
take a deep breath. Can you do it? Relax if you shake your heart too. Just relax. Don't shake, don't shake. Calm down. Sorry. Sorry. Ticklish. Tickle.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. So yeah guys, I am leaving my family, everyone. I'm going, and you guys already saw I took a COVID test, and yeah, you've already seen all those things. And yeah, I'm leaving, and where I am right now, this airport, I'm at Jomo Kenyatta Airport, International Airport, that is in Kenya, Nairobi. And these guys, they've been telling us that Wi-Fi has an issue. I thought I'll go live now because I've not seen you guys in a long time, but then they told us the Wi-Fi is being worked on, and yeah, they don't know how long it's going to take. So practically, I've not yet spoken to anyone since I set off, and yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'll be telling you guys where I'll be going, how life is going to be. But yeah, can you guys see all these terminals are empty right now because most of people's flights are. My flight is going to be taking off at 6:18 p.m. and I'll be landing 7 hours later. So yeah guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to put a thumbs up. Don't forget to, by the way guys, if you haven't yet put on your notification bell, please do, and don't forget to share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.